Hello everyone, it's Sandro Stefanucci from Abstract Homes and Renovations, and today I have Mike Ellis from WarmBoard Canada, and we're going to go over some of the steps with this WarmBoard product. What we're going to do, we're going to be tiling this particular floor in this bathroom, and we just want to go through some of the steps with you. Some of the previous videos you saw that our application, the piping and everything else like that, so this is just going to complement those as well, and we're just going to continue to do a couple more videos in regards to application and different methods to to use that's compatible with their system, with the WarmBoard system and what they've tested, so that the warranty can, that you can actually keep a warranty. If you use a product that's not warranted by WarmBoard Canada, obviously it voids the warranty in the product. So if you have issues later on down the road with uncoupling, say, they won't cover it, and that'll be up to you to cover the cost. So I'm just going to hand it over to Mike here. So Mike here, we've got, we're ready to start prepping the floor here. We're going to be using the Schluter Ditra for the uncoupling membrane for tile, and that we typically do that regardless of what the substrate is underneath. We're always put an uncoupling membrane on our tile anyways. So I always ask, okay, well, what mortar should I use? Right, so maybe talk a little bit more about what we have here for the MAPI product.
Yeah, absolutely. This is one of our most common assemblies. This is also an assembly that is tested and rated by the Tile Council of North America. So using this assembly with this set of products, you're getting a very predictable assembly, and you know exactly what you're going to get in terms of performance rating out of it. So right here, we have our granny bracket. This is really important because part of the aluminum skin, that's our thermal technology that transfers all of the heat so effectively. It needs a really tenacious adhesion. And with the granny rapid, it's going to accomplish that. So you're going to go your WarmBoard layer, which they already have down, the tubes are in, and then they're going to go granny rapid on top. That's going to be strong enough to adhere to the aluminum. And then you're going to have your Ditra Schluter mount right on top of that. And then you thin set and tile, and that'll give you a rating that is suitable for light commercial work.
Great. So say if the guy doesn't know and he needs to go look on it, you obviously must have something. This is on your website. The whole assembly would be on your website for different applications and so forth too. So we're going to be doing some hardwood, engineered hardwood in other areas of the house too. So again, there's a glue. There's a particular glue that we're going to use. We're going to do that in another video. So stay tuned for that one. Take care, guys. Bye for now.